in roughly last July, got the MiSight contact lens. It's a daily disposable contact lens. It's actually the only FDA-approved product in the United States specifically for slowing eye growth, at least that we can get. There has recently been a Ortho-K system that's been FDA approved, but we can't get that here in the United States yet. MiSight is specifically indicated by our FDA for slowing eye growth in kids 8 to 12 years old, and it's available up to -6 diopters, and it has a universal +2 add. The MiSight clinical trial was very effective over a 3-year time period. If we're looking at refractive error here on the left, they found an additive effect that resulted in a 59% slowing in refractive error over 3 years. And that also showed up with axial length. It was about 52% slowing over 3 years. And really, that's kind of our goal, is to try to slow eye growth by at least 50%. And I'll have some data showing maybe that's as much as we can actually do in clinics soon.